chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened you need. Look at that. Here it comes, look at this! Hey? Alright, Bird. No rush. Bird. Oh! It's a trailer. You don't need a trailer. Tail weight. Bird's excited. Bird? Bird? Not listening.
There, on the yellow strip there.
Really good. Look at that. Here she is, Princess Moretti. There she is, guys. What do you think?
It's massive.
Do you like it? Here she is. There's a bit of work to do. Lifting it. On you home. Right, here we are. About to be lifted off and going into the yard. Shout out to SG Haulage. If you need a boat to move in, Ben at SG is the man. And Tom the driver today. Very good. Highly recommended. It's the second time we've used them. Boat. Woo. Here we go. Right, here she goes. This is a nerve-wracking bit. It makes lots of noises, creaks. she goes. She's airborne. Right, where are we going then? Just levelling her up. And get a stand under it. There she sits. Put to work. Right. All right. Alright, it is Sunday morning. The boat got put in the yard on Friday, so we've been busy putting it all back together. So we put all the canvas and framework back on and tidied a few things away, got all the cleaning stuff out. Pressure washer time. So yeah, we made a good inroads on the inside, so she's looking really good. Thanks for watching the videos, and if you have not done so already, please click the subscribe button, really will help. And yeah, click the subscribe button, the like button, the bell, share it, all that stuff that everybody says to do, because it does help. And follow us along. We're going to be doing lots of projects on the boat, so we're in the yard for a month. We might need to extend that. I don't know. We'll see how we get on. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Alright.